There, you happy, you dumb? Gee, thanks, Windows. Thanks for breaking all my mic settings on an update. Wonderful. Oh, and I need to turn down the music. I don't think I was feeling it much last time, and I'm not feeling it much this time either. I'm like, ugh. I want to get a trailer done for this dead blasted game, though, because, oh yeah. Bye. Have fun sleeping. Most likely. Yeah, I'm just not awake. I'm not here right now. And I thought I scooched myself so that, because I'm like, I didn't really want the legs to show up. There we go. I guess if I just scooch forward physically, but that doesn't, I don't really want to, it's like I want there, so. Okay, whatever. I just wanted to listen to the new Billie Eilish. But that's definitely gonna flag Twitch. Okay. What the fuck was I doing? Okay, last time I was messing with no UI so that I could do the whatchamacallit, logo. Which I made some kind of logo. I don't think it's great, but I think it works for now. Yeah, okay, so now I need to turn off the logo. Turn on everything else. And by that I mean some of this stuff. I don't remember exactly what stuff. Oh, was there anything else I wanted to, because I know, there we go. I said I wasn't just chatting. I guess I should just chat for a bit. Oh, I should start with this screen, shouldn't I? Instead of just jumping into live. I'll get used to it at some point. Yeah. I did not do a good job on this model, but... Because now I can see the hair poking out from under the hat, but that's... I never did finish doing like toggles and stuff too. I wanted to do toggles for turning off the hat and the beard and stuff just to be horrifying. To add, wah, huh? Lisa, I'll get you. the add, hello, or goodbye, good night, most likely. Oh, I guess I should start off with like what have I been doing recently? How's my day been? What did I do this weekend? I watched, because that's what I think of. Is what I watched. I did chores. It was boring. I did chores. I did. Yeah, because the big thing was my toilet, the plunger on the toilet. I think it still kind of works, but it flooded my bathroom, so I went and bought toilet repair parts. But I still haven't repaired it. That's because I have a second bathroom, so I'm like, I'll just use this other bathroom, and I really do need to repair it. Let's see. Oh, I did my journal. My journal was like a whole week behind. I keep letting that happen because it's like the weekend gets so busy, and then during the week is... You'd think it wouldn't be hard to find 20 minutes to update the journal for the day, and yet somehow it doesn't happen. Let's see. I did some Elden Ring. I went and fought some more bosses. I think I do want to make a stream out of Melania, so that'll happen at some point before the DLC. What else was I doing this weekend? I guess I could just look at my journal and see what I was doing. Oh, high and dipping? I was able to... And my brain's thinking I'm hung. That's entirely different words. Entirely different meaning there. Yeah, no, I realized that I start. It's definitely a little too late for the regulars, which I should stream at a different time if I want the regulars to show up. But I will. Thanks for the like again. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good night. Have fun sleeping. What else was I doing? I watched a movie, and that movie was Saltburn. I watched Saltburn, which is not what I was expecting. It said like dark comedy, which I suppose somewhat. Lots of interesting editing choices. It was very much an interesting movie to watch, but it felt a little meandering for me. Wait, was Mad Max Fury Road, was that the thing I did this weekend? Or was that last weekend? No, that was this weekend. It had to have been this weekend, right? I guess I could just look at the pictures I have. Because I just want to get used to actually chatting when I start with the just chatting. Okay, so was that this weekend that I did? Rewatched Mad Max Fury Road again? Yes, that was. Which, still, an incredible movie every single time I see it. Oh, I went out to breakfast with my sister. That was the other thing I did. That was pretty good. I had some French toast. I hadn't had French toast. Some fruit French toast that I hadn't had in a while. Mostly just boring chore stuff. I really gotta figure out a way to not do chores on the weekend. Do them during the week so I could stream on the weekend. Okay. Yeah, because I want a little more time to, like, edit together a video of that debut stream that I did. I think that'd be, you know, helpful for my YouTube channel, but I still have not made the time for it. I still have not found the time for it. Okay, well, I think I'm ready to just switch over to what I was actually planning on doing, which is making a trailer for my game, so I'm gonna do that. Because that's due at the end of the month. Maybe. Probably. Sorta. It's sort of due it might possibly be due at the end of the month, so. I mean, I would assume so. Because it's through this thing is why I was assuming. Well, that's why I had these separated. I can just keep them separated. I don't need to. I was trying to compile all the tabs together so it didn't look at like as many tabs, but it's like, nah, there. Yeah, because I gotta figure out the pitch, but I'm like, yeah, the trailer's gonna take me a little bit to put together. But yeah, this is due on the 31st. Yeah, submissions close, which it's one of those, like, had I known about this, had I actually been focused on it, I could have done a bit more, but yeah, I really just want to submit to these, just because what they're looking for sounds very much like what I'm making, but I also don't know if my lack of released, well, I have some released things, but not a lot, and I don't know how much of a knock on me that is. Does the tooltip need to be shown or not? I guess it doesn't really matter. Okay, so that should be the game again. Oh, and then I need to change the numbers back to what I had, which was that. Oh, the skills need to have their numbers visible again. Was that a code change that I did? Yeah, I always do this. I work so hard to get it into a spot that... There we go. Yeah, I really want to work on the actual design of the game, like actually making the skills interesting, but it still has to I want to get the pitch done so that is ready to go. Is it the UI skills was complaining? Like I said, I just wanted to listen to the new Billie Eilish, but man, there's new Snail's House too, and I'm like, probably would set off Twitch as well, so. Thanks, Unity. Why? Why you gotta keep doing this? It's like sometimes there's just a headwind. It feels like there's been a headwind for years. Really hope I can get over whatever plateau I've been stuck on. That's what sucks, is I feel like the kidney stone issue that slowed me down was because I worked out too much and didn't drink enough water. And then I haven't been working out, which then just makes me feel fat and slow, and because of feeling slow I don't get anything done or do anything. And then this sort of nonsense happens, where it's like, you just don't want to run. You're not going to remember any of the things that I did. Okay, I also needed to change those numbers because I think those numbers are way too big. But it was because I was doing that other specific scene. I know it's not responding, that's why I would like to close it, you dumb. Thank you, holy heckums. It sucks when I feel slow, and then the stuff that I'm trying to do feels slow. It feels like it could roll into each other. Like, if the things I were working on started going well, then I feel better. Yeah, I was bringing a lot of grumpy energy into Friday. I'm just feeling a bunch of laziness and slowness today. Not grumpy, though. Just feeling slow. Holy heck, I'm like, should I boot up like some Wordle or something? But I already played Wordle today, so that doesn't really, it's not really gonna work. Okay. So let's, yeah, okay. Let's bump down those skill points, or bump down this, okay. Numb the skills, 2 hundo, skill points, 0. Most likely. Oh, and then the area size. Okay, so the area was a lot smaller. Yeah. But it was a lot more dense, so. Okay, maybe I should keep those numbers somewhere, actually. Just in case. And that's one of those things of like, I should make separate scenes. I should save it off as its own separate scene instead of doing this, which I thought I did. No, this is the skill tree scene. At least I thought about it for something, right? Yeah, I saved off a logo scene. I think there was a secondary logo scene I wanted to save off, though, is the thing. Yeah, I wasn't feeling motivated to figure out a good clickbait title for the stream either. I'm like, I think that helps when I do that, and I did not do that. Yeah, okay, so you did not save these, but it did run the dumb dad blasted mother flippin' thing. So then, y'all can show up and you can show off. Other way around, you could, I guess, show down? Show on? UI skills? Why are you busted? What did I do to the UI skills there? This will probably tell me what I did to the UI skills there. No, this still exists. So wait, what did you mean the shape is not? Okay, the UI skills seem to be busted there too. Oh, it was not randomizing. No, it should have been randomizing. What the heck? .309, 309, 305. Oh, what in the fuck? What in the fuck? What in the fuck? Skill components. That should be empty. Yeah. It seemed like it was saying this. Yeah, tile shapes. There's 2 tile shapes, that's fine. What was it complaining? Shape that color, the colors. They're right there. Unless the shape doesn't exist, but the shape got set, right? Oh, shape.sprite. Okay, well then to... Oh, that's a different color thing. Well, okay, it is setting the tile color. It's also setting the icon, so... Also, this seems to have been like this for a while. I don't know why it would be exploding now instead of earlier. Because it should have been exploding the whole time then. Now what are you complaining about? Oh, the switch. I got rid of the switch and it didn't grab the whole thing. Wait, what do you fluffing mean? What? I highlighted that. I highlighted the whole thing and yet didn't... There we go, you dumb. What in the hell? Why would you do this to me? Okay. I just need to get the game back into a playable state, and then I just need to play the game. Well, ideally, I think I want to make like a tougher enemy so that I can get closer to infinite waves. As long as the stats keep going up. What are you going on about? Tile shapes? I haven't messed with any of that. Tile shapes? There's 2 of them. What do you fluffing mean? You can't... What? Why is this a new problem? Because I think the UI was broken too, but that's if the whole thing didn't... This was not created correctly, then I can see why it would... Yeah, okay, so those are exploded. They spawn just fine. Yeah, I think I need to... I can't make that any darker, though. I can make this brighter, though. Because yeah, right now that's the only indication is the number. Tells you you can click on it. Oh, okay, and then the build settings. Yeah, okay, I gotta rebuild everything because I... There we go. Okay, is that gonna mysteriously fix the other problem? I doubt it. I don't even know what's causing it, though. The UI skills seem broken, but that's not the skill. Those are two separate things. Why? Why are you doing this to me? What the fucking goddamn fucking hell, you stupid piece of shit. Okay, these are... Those are spawning just fine. So it's not the skills, it's the UI skill, but then when I go to here... It says it's the... But it's the first 5, so it's like it's this skill here. Somehow the UI skill is also a skill. It's a randomized skill, but is this skill getting set, or is it part of the UI skill? What do you mean? Okay, what is this skill then? That would explain why it's breaking. Because there's nothing in there, but would be in there. It's spawn a skill. Game manager.spawn skill. But this is just the skill. Yeah, because that's just passing the skill type, not the actual skill itself. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna add a flippin' skill script. See if that fixes it, and just kind of go from there. No. But if I add skill onto this, I think that's gonna cause issues. So it's like, I don't really need this to be there. But I need this skill to get tile shapes. I mean, because then it could also just put that skill inside of here instead of the game manager spawning it. But that's better. It seems better if the game manager spawns it. And this just has the info for the skill. Okay, so if I just do a new skill. New skill. Are you gonna be happy? Are you gonna do it? Okay, I've been listening to a lot of Khaki or something, so let's... I know there's the other... Nah, even this I feel like I've listened to. Oh, there was so much dumb nonsense dumped onto this. $2,000's not a ton. Maybe this will be. Not a ton here, but that's okay. Okay, so now if I do this, is it going to explode? Yes. Why did you decide now that you were going to start exploding? You weren't doing this earlier, and now you decide, oh, wait, actually, nah. What do you fluffing mean? This tile shapes does not have anything in it. Tile shapes. I put stuff into tile shapes. There's something there. I don't know why you're saying you can't find the tile shapes. Tile shapes at 0, which has stuff in it from the thingamabob. Why are you doing this to me? Because this is the UI skills. Okay, so if I just turn off the UI, it's because there's 5 of them. So I'm like, okay, it's got to be this. It's trying to set up the skill, something like that. But like, why now? What did I change that caused it to do this? I do recall trying to steal the stuff off of script instead of manually going through and adding the colors on each of them, because it's like, yeah, oh wait, duh, that makes a lot more sense. Okay, it's these UI skills are exploding for some reason. Because they're trying to initialize the start skill. I just need this information out of the skill. So I don't know. This feels like I should get the colors and the the shapes and icons should just be in a different, like a skill info or something. I thought I had like a stats script separated out somewhere. Yeah, stats. Okay, so I had a different stats. Well, because that's the skill, and then there's the skill component too, right? Yeah, the skill component, which is each individual part of the skill. So that each of these can be added to a skill. Okay, so how about you go away? Because I'm like, you just pushed this off of there, and I'm like, this is the one that I need right now. It's because this is trying to pull the information off of skill, but it is... That's because skill is trying to initialize itself when it starts. Because it is getting... That information should be inside of... Well, no. It's not inside of that UI skill. The UI skill does not have a skill that's set up with all of this stuff. And then it's going to start trying to initialize it anyway. I just wanted to pick the colors off of a dictionary, basically. I wanted to have a color... So would that be the skill component? Which again is a... Yeah, it's public enum. This is where it's bumping up against my... I don't know how to actually code properly. And then I hear stories about Balatro where everything is in a giant if-else. Or something like Undertale, or the entire game is in a giant if-else. And I'm like, okay, maybe using some amount of coding structure is at least a little ahead of that. Yeah, okay, it's because I wanted to pull these tile shapes and stuff. And it's because I don't know how to do a static. So I guess I could try doing a static class. That'll be skill info. I mean, it's gonna be icons and colors, but then it's... So it's like, well... Am I gonna remember what the difference between a skill component, a skill... and a UI skill and skill info is? The answer is probably not. Which I can remake it. I can rebuild it after the fact. Okay, I do not actually know how to use static. Right? So, oops. So object? Game object or object? Game object? You said it can't go from mono behavior. Okay, I just get rid of it? And then start and update don't exist, because this is not part of mono behavior. But I don't need it to? I don't know how to use a static class! I mean, I do. I just forgot. Well, yeah, that is that is more accurate. I just forgot how to do a static class. Okay, but it's really that I wanted... Again, I added another class, and then you bumped the stuff I wanted, which is this. You bumped this off of the thing. Okay, icons and tile shapes. Okay, because this is kind of like a... Everything should pull off of this. That's really what I was hoping for. Public static. Okay. Fumbling towards something. And then if I get rid of this... then I will not need to do a get icons. I don't know if this is gonna work, because this is why I always do the, like, comment everything out, forget about it, and then not actually... This is why I need to rewrite my code many times over, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so this is skill info, tile shapes, 0. Is that a thing I can do? Skill info, tile shapes, 0. It appears like it. Okay, the only issue is how do I... Oh, and then the colors. That's kind of the whole thing. This seems bad. This seems like... Well, it doesn't seem bad. This seems like I don't know what I'm doing. Because I don't. Okay, but then... Yeah, because it has like 14 references, and it's like, well, it's gonna break everything, but if I can do... Okay, so that at least is fixing this. If I can... Oh, great. I don't know what the fluffin' thing looked like. Why do I have to hit control? I hit one control paste, and then I have to hit 2 control Z's. Don't reload. No! Because now you're gonna get rid of... Okay, no, you still have my color library and this stuff. Sweet. Okay, I can actually just snip that. Okay, can I stick that on my toolbar as well? Can I... Excuse me, I would like to snip the thing. Thank you. There we go. Okay, so now when I change this... Yeah, no, that's good. You can do that. Huh? I don't... Huh? I want to accept it. Okay, tab. There we go. Okay, so those are all good, but then over here there's gonna be so many, because there's 14 references that I just destroyed. So... This is the background skill, which was very much based on that other. I can't just copy paste though. Okay, skill info. Wasn't I just doing that? Yeah. Skill info. Dot tile shape. Tile shapes. There we go. Okay, and then here I can do the colors. Let's really hope this works out, because I'm kind of redoing everything again. But if everything's pulling off of this, this should work a little better. I just don't know how to get at this as like a dictionary. Is really the issue. It's kind of what I want it to be, is just a dictionary of colors and stuff. And I don't... guess I could say dictionary, but I also don't know how to do that. And I'm like, it's static, so that's sort of the same idea. I just don't know where I set the stuff for a static class. Or I can... I don't know. I don't know how this works. Unless I put this under Game Manager, which I could do that too. And then everything pulls off the Game Manager. I don't know. This feels like it should be possible. But... I might need a refresher on how to use static correctly. Okay, you are the same thing. It's literally the same thing as this. Like, why am I doing this again? Yeah, but that's the problem, is you could either spend time finishing it, or you could spend more time polishing it. And at this point, I'm in the make the thing, not the make the thing better phase. So, because this is just to get it up to prototype form, and then... Okay, so now everything should be busted because nothing exists. Yay! Yeah, okay, so you just defaulted to something and then everything else just exploded because the heck are you going on about this? Yeah, so when I went to spawn the skill... Okay, so then is this... So how do I add, like, a... I don't know how to use a static thing correctly. Because I'm like, now I can add a skill info, but that also... Right? No. So how does it pull off of... I've forgotten how to use it. Okay, so Unity, static, class. It's like, wait, this seems like what I want, but I just don't remember exactly how to... Thanks, I don't need a whole tutorial right now, I just need a quick solution to my problem. Hop in the AI, I suppose. And ask, how do I use static classes in Unity correctly? Okay, but this is also just saying everything runs off of that. Okay, so this, but that's... So if I do this and then say skill info, I can't add a skill info script though, right? I just don't know how to add this stuff to this. Maybe not static? I just want a singleton? Okay, but that sounds right. I just don't know how to... How do I put stuff in here though? Okay, I might... this seems useful, though. Because then these are all pulling off the same thing, instead of trying to pull off a... I wanted to decouple the stuff. Okay, maybe just don't... Because I don't know what I'm doing, let's not make it static. Yeah, there. Okay, so don't make it static. Just make it a new list of things. Yes, and make it public. That is the whole point. Yeah, but then it's a unique instance of the thing that they all have to pull from. I mean, this seemed like a good idea. This seems like what I want to do. I just don't know how to set this up. So, that's maybe a singleton then. Yeah, class public static singleton. Singleton.instance.playerHealth. I was just having these things all... Yeah, because that's the thing, is they're all basically the same thing. Okay, well this has mono behavior. There. Okay, so now to okay, that doesn't explode, but those explode. Okay, so then the aha, because it inherits it. Aha, okay, so the stuff that I'm doing repeatedly, like this, yeah, because all of these are using this, right? The background. Okay, now I have the start. However I do it. And just because it's always there. There. So that. Okay, so now all that can pull over. It's not actually going to need the tooltip. This is just the info. It's going to be a little confusing, but I guess it doesn't need to be. Oh, no, no, no. What happened to the tile shapes? Shoot, okay. No, these are the universal icons and colors that I need to pull over. This is specifically for the UI. The animator is specifically for... Even the skill I don't think I need, or the tooltip. The skill type I do. Which maybe this should have the type? Because all of the skills are going to, then that's what the icons and the colors and stuff are, so maybe this should have the type. Okay, but this is the physical skill on the board, so that will have those things, but this is the... Great. And now I'm just in a code rewrite instead of actually making the trailer like I wanted. Okay, so this is just the... So it just needs skill type. There. So get rid of the enum stuff. It does not have a skill type. I mean, maybe not for this. This is just the basic info stuff, so... No, no, no. Skill type, because... Type is a specific Unity keyword. Okay, so don't do that. I'm not gonna randomize the skill in... Oops. In here. That'll be on a different thing. Okay, so now we can get rid of all of that. So this will have the skill type, which will have the colors and the icons. And the shapes. I don't know if this is gonna be the components, maybe? Okay, I was just trying to get to the Fluffin' trailer, but I ran into the Fluffin' error where it just didn't want to play the Fluffin' game. And then I was like, okay, well maybe if I rewrite it, that'll work better. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like the UI does... Well, it's if I do a skill that has different skill components to it, where it's like if there's multiple skill components. Okay, this is the sprites specifically, but the UI skill uses skill info. Great, now I fucked everything. Yeah, but that's you specifically use the... Wait, so are these all gonna have their own colors and stuff now? Oh, fuck. The issue here is that these are images. All of these are images, which is why it has to do this specifically. Oh. No, skill info, skill type, skill type. Why are you not? Oh, you don't need to be there, that's why. That means it's gonna be... Is it gonna be within each of these, though? Because that's what I was trying to avoid. I wanted one library of colors and icons. Okay, but I can't mess with anything until after this stuff is fixed. Great. I think I fucked it up. I think I majorly fucked it up trying to make it better. At least for what I'm trying to do, which is just to put a trailer together. That's all I wanted to do, was to play the game a little bit to put a trailer together. And to do that, I also, well, I could just say fuck it. And, no, because I wanted a sound effect. I wanted to make a minor addition of a sound effect. Not a good sound effect, just a sound effect. Okay, none of this needs to be here anymore, I don't think. Okay, what's your fluffing problem? Why can't I do that? Okay, well then get rid of it. Oh, the skill. Because I haven't fixed you. You don't. Wait, but this is just using skill type, right? Or no? Ah, fuck, I confused the hell out of myself. Oh, because this is also supposed to pull off of... Yeah, okay, so just like you're a skill info. That's not what I want, actually, but I'm gonna just fucking stick with it, I guess. I don't know. I just want all the little red squigglies to go away. So that I can go back to just fucking trying the game again. This is gonna make it so that each of these has their own individual sets of colors and icons. Which is specifically what I didn't want. So I was trying to pull it all through a certain thing. That's where I'm like, I don't know if there's like... Yeah, I'm pretty damn sure what I did is make it so that all of these... Because they're all inheriting, because they're all their own thing now. They're not gonna... I don't know. Okay, just get rid of the red squigglies. I want the red squigglies to go away, and then I can understand what the fuck is going on. Yeah, because this is also not true. It's like this skill should have a set of skill components, and the components is what should have whether or not it needs these certain icons or colors. Kind of. I don't really know how I'm going to do that, because right now I'm tying the color and the icon to, like, this does damage or this does attack. But if I have a skill that does both damage and attack, I don't know what color or icon I'm using for that. Okay, would you fucking stop? Okay, so now none of the colors are being set. None of the anything's being set because of the... Okay, so maybe if I just fucking get rid of this... Okay, I just pulled it off of that other thing anyway, so if I just fucking get rid of it, what the fuck happens? You stopped complaining, and now I don't think anything is gonna work at all in terms of colors and icons, and I think it's all separated now, which is the opposite of what I wanted. I wanted it to all be... I change one set of colors and icons. Okay, so you have that. Yep, and now you have your own set of icons and colors. The opposite of what I wanted. I wanted you to pull off of... Great. Yeah, okay, so now that they're all inheriting that, they all have their own sets of icons and colors. Meaning I would have to change it for every single one of them. And that's the opposite of what I wanted! I mean, it's not gonna take me that fucking long to add it, but then anytime I make any change, I have to manually go through each of them to add it, and that's not what I wanted. Okay. Like it... And it's because the UI skill is running off of images. Fluffin' heck, I don't... Okay, but now it should just... Only the skills on the board should work, right? Or are those fucked too? Okay. Skills on the board work, but the background skills are fucked. The UI skills are fucked. The... Why are you... God, this is like a fucking back it up. But again, I don't think I have access to this fucking Unity version control anymore. Or do I? I guess I do. No, we're not gonna fucking check this in, because it's fucked. Because this is the opposite of what I wanted. That's why I wanted some kind of library, some static class for everything to pull all of the info for these things. Okay, the quickest fix right now is just fucking add the goddamn things to each of these fucking things. Oh, this isn't even fucking working anyway. Okay, and there's 2 tile shapes. And then I gotta add each of these individual fucking sprites. And then it's gonna lag out forever because Unity is fucking huge. And adds so much junk. Like, I don't need all of this. I don't know where this is coming from. I don't use those icons for anything. I don't need them. I do not know why they exist there. Okay, is it action icon something or other? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, this isn't even the one that I clicked on. This is the exact opposite of what I wanted. Now I'm just doing a bunch of extra work. Wait, so I have this one? No. Okay, there we go. Oh, I have the skull. I added the skull separately one time. Also, I thought there was a way you could just drag over a whole bunch of these all at once. Yeah, because I get to this point where I'm like, I don't fucking remember what I just clicked on. But I'm like, I kind of just need to get a trailer done. That's it. I just need a real quick trailer. And I liked the shading that I just added for this other fucking thing, but then it just broke. It just decided, nah, it ain't working no more. Why? You dumb? Okay, I don't remember what shapes there are. I need to go back to preschool. I do not know what laws there are. Let me say it again. I do not know what laws there are. Something like that. I have not listened to that song in a long time, and then there's been some, yeah, one of those weird things if, like, somebody accuses Dan from Boy in a Band of things, and then there's been no response since, so who knows. And then I gotta fucking pick all of these fucking colors, and I'm like, I'm not gonna fucking do that, you fucking dumb. That's why I didn't want to fucking do this. I thought separating this stuff would be a good idea, but then it's like, well, no, I'm too fucking stupid for that. At least, I'm too fucking busy with it for that right now. Yeah, but it simplified things because of the fact that it separated things. That's why. And I'm like, what I really wanted was to just have a static class or a singleton that all of these things pull from. And it's like I've gotten far enough down the rabbit hole that I'm like, okay, so if I do this as a public static class, you can't pull off a mono behavior. And then they're all fucking... Yeah, it's doing this, so mono behavior. So undo that. But then this is gonna happen. I want a fucking dictionary for that to pull off of. So it stops having to fucking redo the fucking... I don't fucking know how to fucking fix this easily. I fucked it, and I don't know how to unfuck it easily. Because it wasn't fucking working. It was saying this stuff is not connected correctly. And it's like, yeah, well, because... No, goddammit. Okay, I guess technically I could just hit Control Z, right? Until it brings back everything. And then I could go here and do Control Z until it brings back everything. And then I could go here and I could do Control Z until it brings back everything. Okay, and then you just don't fucking exist. There, okay, so now just give me what the fucking error was that started this whole escapade anyway. The whole fucking error was the fact that the fucking UI skills were trying to pull off of skill and for some reason not doing it now, despite the fact that they were doing it earlier. Okay, there we go. Hopefully a nice phone break will take my brain away from this just long enough for me to... What do you fluffing mean? I did Control Z on all of the everything. Can you load it, please? This. Can you, no? You just don't want to load it. What is your problem then? I hit Control Z until it fucking unfucked itself, right? The same field name is serialized multiple times in the class or its parent class. Base skill type. I hit Control Z. I unfucked it. Please just tell me that it's unfucked. Why the fuck are you fucking doing this? Please, I just wanted to play this so that I can make a trailer. I just wanted to add a little bit of audio, and you just decided, oh, I don't want to work anymore. And you're not even letting me go here. What is your problem then? The same field name is serialized multiple times in the class. What class? The base background skill type. Okay, the background skill has skill type twice somewhere. Okay, well then... What do you fucking mean, you fucking dumb? This is completely separated from that other fucking dumb fucking shit I was fucking doing. Yeah, no, it doesn't fucking work, you fucking dumb fucking piece of fucking goddamn fucking shit. Why the... I'm like, the thought process requires a lot of repeated swears. So, skill type. I'm like, maybe don't... It's fun. It's fun to swear repeatedly. Probably not a good look, though. But it's fun to do. What do you mean? What does this mean? I don't know what this means because I can't click on it. Okay, can I... Yeah, it's... Oh, God. Okay, restart everything, I guess. There's always the off chance that just a restart everything fixes the issue. But I don't know what's going on. I just wanted to run this, and I kind of liked the little bit of shading that I did. And I need the audio, though. I need the audio for the characters, and I also need to change it so the characters get harder a little bit. Plus, I think if I try to do an old build, they're gonna clip off of the world and not work correctly. No, God balls! Because right now, what I need is a trailer. Not to redo the code. I can redo the code later. Right now, I need a trailer. Right now, I need to finish a pitch deck. And I wanted to just play the game a little bit. Okay, so are you, or are you not, yes or no? Are you going to explode? Are you, or are you not working, yes or no? Yes. I mean, no. I mean, no, meaning yes. Okay, there we go. You're back to the UI skills are completely busted. Okay. But if I go back to the main menu, because that's the other thing, is that I have this other fucking weird ass fucking extra fucking shit on the fucking main menu just to fucking... These background skill things should pull off of the fucking skill. That should actually be inherited. Okay, those are fucking working just fucking fine. You fucking dumb. And then I hit start. And then the fucking UI skills are fucked. So if I could fucking fix the fucking UI skills, then I'm back in fucking business to do a fucking trailer. Okay, so that's You're not supposed to be pulling off of the fucking thing anymore, you fucking dumb fucking piece of fucking goddamn fucking shit. Yeah, mono behavior. So how is that even allowing me to do this? You don't have your own tile shape. Right? Why do you have... Oh, this is skill. Wait, huh? Oh, no. Okay, this is the UI skill. Is trying to make a skill to pull the tile shape off of. Okay, why are you trying to make a skill? Yeah, okay, so then that's where it's trying to get the tile shapes from the skill, but the skill doesn't exist. I just don't want to remake the tile shape. I don't want to remake the colors and the icons. Because I don't want that in two different places. Okay, but for now, I think I will do it like that because I just want to get some gameplay recorded. Yeah, because I think when I look at these long lists of variables, I'm like, these should be broken into smaller scripts and stuff. I don't actually know how to code. I have never had, like, a... Okay. You are complaining about what? The tile shapes, the colors, and the icons. And the skill type. Okay, you're not actually anything. Right? Oh, and the shade value. There's so much stuff here. How in the heck was it doing it earlier? Okay, so if I just add a skill script to the UI skill. There. Yeah, okay, so then here is the issue. Is that I have to go through manually and say, okay, the icons and the tile shapes for this specific thing are... That's what I was trying to avoid, but this will at least... I know this will work. It'd be a little faster than trying to redo everything. I can just redo these things. And also, it should be faster to do this, I believe, right? Wait. You did 9 twice. Are you 9? Are you 10? There, okay. That's why I didn't want to do this again, because even something simple, like just a couple of things, is too much for me. Brain too small. And also Unity has so many of these dumb dad blasted mother flipping things that it takes a while to scroll through it, because there's just so much dumb nonsense. Oh, and then these colors are a pain in the butt to transfer. I can't just say these colors and then go over here and say these. What do you mean copy property path? What is copy property path then? What does that mean? Can I copy this? What do you mean copy property path? And then I can't... I don't want to duplicate the array element. I just wanted to... You suck! I don't think you're even gonna let me put hexadecimal. How in the hell was this working earlier? Okay, I just need these things from this, right? Okay, you will let me do hexadecimal. But how in the hell did I get this working earlier? I didn't mess with this. Also, why is the alpha value different? I'm copying the hex. Shouldn't that just stay the same? Why is the alpha value 0? You don't want to see the color that you just added, right? Huh? Why would you default to that? Most of the time, I don't think that full transparent is what you're gonna want. Also, I think I should just give up on these colors and do... Or I could just give up entirely. I ran into a roadblock. Time to give up. No, I want to properly pitch the game, and if I'm lucky, get some feedback. That's what I want to do. I was trying to avoid this, because it's just tedious. Okay, but once it's done, I can... Like, it's one of those... Once I get a trailer done, once I get a pitch deck done, then I can work on actually making the dumb, dad-blasted mother-flippin' game for the first time in 4 months. Right? Because a good chunk of May was updating my VTuber and stuff. Well, it's because of doing this sort of marketing stuff is not making the game, it's promoting the game. Like, making a game page and stuff is not. Okay, so now you're gonna just pull off of that flippin' script, right? This flipping script. Okay, so now when I do the UI skill, are you gonna flippin' work? Okay. The background skills are working. I guess I should double check on the glossary, but you suck! What do you fluffing mean, you fluffing dumb? And it's just everything exploded. What do you mean? I was putting skill points in these earlier, right? Okay, because that's everything exploded. What do you mean everything exploded? On the skill, the shape sprite has not been set. What do you mean? Please don't tell me that the whole... I don't need to set this script. Okay, can I just copy this whole fluffin' thing? Just copy this whole component. And... paste component as new. Huh. Okay, so when I look at this, it has all those icons. So when I pasted it over here, you just decided to break everything. No? Okay, this is the one that is not pasted over. Okay, so now this skill script can be put here. And then let's see how it explodes, which apparently it's gonna fully explode everything again. Why? Can you please stop exploding? Okay. Why? Why is the UI completely done borked now? That's everything. All of the everything is completely broken. What do you mean? So now you're saying the shape? It's because it's trying to initialize the skill on here. And I'm like, that's not what I want. I don't want this whole fluffing thing. I just want these things. Just this. I don't need the whole skill. I didn't want to separate this. I don't want to do this for a third fluffing time. I can separate it, but... Can you just not try to start the skill? I just need the information off of it. Okay, how about... Which I thought that's what... Is that what this is doing? Okay, so when you make a UI skill... Add skills to bench. So when you make... You initialize the UI skill. You do not set the clone skills skill. No, that's a skill. That's spawning a skill. This is the UI skill. Okay, clone info UI skill. Clone info dot set tooltip and then set the skill type. But apparently, okay, so clone info dot skill. Set the skill type. No, the fluffin' thing that it's trying to fluff and pull. Okay, I don't care. I just want this to work. So I can throw together a trailer so that I can pitch the game. And I can go back and fix this in the future. Okay, so now just set the skill equal to a skill. Whatever the fluffin' skill is. Just that, right? What do you fluffin' mean? It's not a game object. This is a game object. So what is this then? Why is that a game object? Should be a skill, right? What skill is that then? It's fluffin'. No, it made a skill somewhere, right? Pull off of that, I guess. I don't fluff. Why? Why did you break like this? It was working, and now you decided, nah. What? Why are you letting me do this? Or why were you letting me do this? Okay, theoretically, I can... Okay, game manager. Here, I just get the component. How about that? What do you fluffing mean? Okay, you actually made them this time. Okay, so that's working. So now what? Well, stop trying to initialize a thing I don't want you to initialize! I just wanted to pull the information off of this. Which is back to this nonsense. Okay, hopefully if I just do this, if I just do a null check here. Again, this is hacky, shoddy code, but I just want to make a game trailer and I just need the game to work again. It's it. Because I just need to add a little bit of audio of, I don't fucking know. That's the other issues. I don't know what the combat, I don't know what audio I want to use for that. And then I'm listening to the same music. And I'm way too angry to be coherent. Okay. It's just not equal to null. Well, that's the thing. It's just, I'm just streaming so that I don't get distracted and not do anything. That's really all it is. And there's still a part of me that's like, why does nobody watch anything? It's because I don't have enough followers, and I gotta go find followers somewhere else, and also probably not be super mad while programming. I'm not super mad. I'm not even mad, I'm just having fun yelling and figuring out my thought process. Are you any closer? Well, you're not connecting the tooltip anymore. I don't know what I changed! What did I change in between here and there? Yeah, you're gonna just keep saying, I didn't get set right, because I don't want you to get set. I want you to pull your information. Okay, wait. It's in the fucking skill. Why the fuck is it in the fucking skill and not like the game manager, like I was thinking earlier? It's like, yeah, okay, the colors and everything else should be put in the game manager, and then every other thing can pull off of that. Yeah, because you trying to do this pull off of the skill is not working when it should just pass that in from the game manager. Just like, god balls! I'm just redoing it. I spent it's 2 hours. It's gonna be a full 2 hours just to get the game back to where it was. God, that's the kind of stuff that hurts for programming. Okay, what are the... It's the icons, the tile shapes, and the colors. Need to be redone on the game manager again to then get passed in here. Okay, it's here. It's wherever it says the fluffin'. Okay, you can go get fucked. I don't think I need that. Okay, so now all the stuff that it's trying to pull, all the bullshit it's trying to pull, icons, tile shapes, and then colors. Are just gonna be on this UI skill. Oh, and then the shade value, whatever the fluffin' heck that shade value is. Wait, no. That was just a calculated thing, right? No, it's a get shade value. I don't want to fucking calculate the shade value again. Why in the fuck did this work earlier? And why is it broken now? I did not change anything. I changed the cover. I changed the shading on the cover of the thing. I did not change the UI skills. I just hid them and then brought them back. And it was like, it's broken now. Okay, the shade? I mean, get shade value. Okay, fucking shade. Turn the shade value. Where the fuck is that made? This. I need all of this. Why in the hell was this working? Why was this working? Why is it now not working? Because I just wanted to mess with the game. All I wanted to do was add a little bit of audio, make the combat a little more interesting, and then play the game a bunch, to then put it into a trailer. And it just refuses to fucking fix the UI again. And then it's this fucking shade value here that I'm like, okay. Oh, and I'm pulling it off of there anyway, so then just fuck that, and just add the fucking shade value as a fucking thing here too. So that's also... Again, just remake the whole fucking thing again. Which is like, that's fucked! They should all be pulling off of just the same place. Not... That's the thing. It's like, it's been 10 years since college, and I don't know how to fucking do a static class. So I'm like, I haven't learned anything in 10 years! Because web development's fucking stupid, and then the Unity job I had was like, make prototypes, and it's like, okay. I'll just use the skills that I learned, and... And even this job's just sort of... Well, it's using proprietary business code, and then it's a lot of just, like, ask if you have questions. And I'm like, I didn't really learn how to do anything. The whole thing is a question. I need an example, because I'm fucking stupid! Okay, the skill type can get fucked, I think. And then these it's the shape... color icon, shape, color icon, and then this shade value here. Okay, so the rest of these can just get fucked. Okay, so if you go away, and then this is just this here. Okay, hopefully I can run this and it just doesn't explode, even if it doesn't fucking set it right or do it. No, it's gonna fucking explode unless I add those. Because I have to make those lists of things for it to... Yeah, it's like, oh, this looks nicer. Yeah, because it doesn't connect to anything. And I'm redoing the same code again. It's 2 hours just because I decided to fiddle with a couple of numbers and then unfiddle with them. That's the thing. I unfiddled. I put it back. You didn't do it right. It's digital. I flipped a bit. You're telling me I flipped the bit wrong? Fuck off, you fucking stupid fucking piece of fucking goddamn fucking shit. What the fuck do you fucking mean? How the fuck did I fucking have this fucking working anyway? You fucking dumb fucking piece of fucking goddamn fucking shit. Then I fucking need this to get the fucking stuff on the fucking tooltip. Wasn't this... When you make a UI skill, doesn't it set the skill? Okay, so I can't do that because of the fucking tooltip shit. So then this gets fucked. How the fuck is it fucking doing fucking anything, you fucking stupid okay. Back it all up again. Back to it where it was. I kind of have to leave it like this. I'll go take a restroom break. Nope, restroom break didn't help. Because now it's telling me that the skill is not being set correctly, but it's not setting the skill. At least it wasn't earlier. It's like, how in the hell did I fuck this up so badly? Yeah, again. So now, an hour and 45 minutes, I'm back to the error I started with, because I keep undoing shit because it keeps not working. Yeah, because you're trying to make this skill, and it's like, why in the hell are you trying to do that now? Why are you trying to initialize the fucking skill? Oh. Is this trying to... So on awake, that finds the game manager. Okay, so don't spawn the skill. I don't think that's the fucking issue, but... Because then it would just fucking... It's when it's trying to initialize it that it's fucked. Yeah. It's here. It's like, okay, these are not being made. Why is it hitting 999? It wasn't doing that earlier. It was doing there's 5 of these. And now it's like, nah, they're all, it's just doing it repeatedly. Yeah, and then it's running into a null reference down here. Because it's trying to make the skill. And it wasn't doing that earlier, and I don't know why it's decided to do that now. Because I just mashed the undo button. It's not making a skill. It's just trying to pull off of the fucking... Why are you trying to initialize a skill now? Okay, so ideally, if I get rid of this fucking stuff in start, that should fix it. I mean, the UI skill will not be set correctly. It'll be completely blank. But the game won't explode, right? This is the fucking cause of the problems, right? Also, it's been an hour and a half. I can sit. Maybe sitting will help. Okay, so that's not even related? Great. So you do know what these are? What? So what's fucking broken then? If you can't fix what's broken, you'll go insane. What? This is the main menu. Give me the other scene that actually has what I want. And now, none. How about none of these? It does not do any of them. Okay, it is the UI skill is causing an issue. So how about one? How about one of these? Wait, I was working on the positioning stuff earlier. Why is it bouncing between a few things? What? Okay, let's just keep commenting on parts of this. What? Yeah, I was gonna say, somebody's trying to set that though, right? This is the tooltip thing. Okay, so no tooltip stuff then. It's like, this wasn't there the whole time, right? What the heck are you on about? What is trying to set this? What is causing this? What is doing this? But it's attached to the UI. UI skill. That doesn't even exist anymore. But when I said no UI skill, what in the world do you think you're even doing, Fallout? What? How in the world is it still broken when it doesn't even have the skill thing? But it's related to the UI skill, because if I get rid of it and say none of them, there is none of them, then the problem goes away. But if I say there's one of them, then it says the skill didn't get initialized. But it's not making one. How did this get so fucked so bad? I don't know what I fucking messed with to cause it to explode like this. But the instant there's one of these fuckers, it says the skill it didn't initialize correctly. UI skill. Okay. Now when there's one of these fuckers, it explodes. Despite the fact that the skill does not have anything related to any of this. How in the world are you doing this, you dumb? Is this the game manager thing here? Yeah, and I'm like, I had the different things here. Because I also fucking copied that shit over like a fucking dumb. Let's initialize skill here. It doesn't even have a reference to skill anymore. How in the heck is causing it? Okay, don't spawn a UI skill then. Is it you? Are you being the bitch bastard? Because that's the new thing. That's a newer thing. But that's positioning. It literally just changes the position of things. It should not be exploding. This is going to be an entire stream of just fixing the game. I'm not actually going to get a chance to play it or mess with making a fucking trailer. And that's why I was a little afraid of having 2 weeks and it's still not being enough. Because I'm fucking slow. Okay, so it does not spawn anything. And it does not cause the error. Okay. So let's just keep slowly adding little bits of fucking code back. To see exactly what the fuck is fucking up, you fucking Tom. It's the instant it makes the UI skill, and then... But somehow, there's no fucking skill attached here anymore. Skill type? I got rid of that other shit, so that shouldn't be doing anything, right? Oh, it's gotta return something, I guess. So, you know? What are you again? Oh. Up here, what are you again? Skill type. Okay, so return... Skill type dot... Sure. Fuck you! Tab! I hit tab, you dumb. Yeah, okay, not only did I do a boring string title, but also angrily yelling at my computer is not as compelling. This is where I want the grumpy face. I'm like, that's about as good as I can get. What do you mean you exploded? What did I just get rid of? Okay, so it's not the skill type. And I added this back in. Okay, so let's get rid of this. That's possible. But I doubt it. I think it's just when it makes the fucking UI skill, it tries to make a skill to go along with it, despite the fact that it wasn't doing that earlier, and I don't know why it's doing that now. Why in the hell are you like this? Okay, that's audio source.play. None of that is the issue. The issue is when it makes the UI skill, somehow it's running into a let's make the skill. Despite the fact that nothing... Okay, if I get rid of everything in here, I can't do that because these references are getting hit places. What? Okay, let's just... None of it. I guess you can return that. No, you can't. Yeah, you can. That's not... Nothing is... I got rid of the stuff that said the word skill. Okay, maybe not that. Put that on pointer down. It's just scrolling over the thing. Now, it isn't spawning a UI skill at the same moment that down is being pressed, right? But I got rid of the UI skill and it didn't do this. That... What? Huh? There's nothing in here. This is doing, like, nothing now. I commented that stuff out. I commented that stuff out. Sure. Just continue commenting all of it out. So there's nothing in here. Yeah, this... Dadgummit. Yeah, but if it doesn't spawn a UI skill, it's fine. It's just... How is... What? What is breaking? And why? Because... It wasn't doing this earlier. This is how I had it for quite a while. And now it just decided... No. Well, it's because the UI skill shows up white. Okay. It does not exist. It does not explode. I add it back again. It explodes, despite the fact that there is nothing inside of it. I just don't want to look at these errors, because that means the build is not going to run. Yeah, it's... This UI skill is not... Why is there skill issues, but only when that pops up? Skill update, find neighbors. Why? Because there's nothing in here that says the word skill. In terms of the class. It's not inheriting from the other thing. And everything else is not related. So how is it breaking anything? It's making a UI skill. The UI skill has nothing in it. Oh god. You have a skill. Okay. So now... So now what was the issue? Okay, now I think it's set back to the beginning, right? Yes. The skill dot set skill type. Skill type. So is the skill type not set? Like, can't. It's the skill dot set skill type. It's not happening. Oh, I don't have points. Okay, so now that I got that working, let's get back into what I was doing. Instead of angrily yelling. Which, it sucks, because angrily yelling is fun, but it didn't help. Complete calm seemed to help. So now... Okay, it just adds the enemy, but it does not add the... Does not increase the stats. Okay, so the character has a stats component. Okay, and it is just set to that. There's nothing within the wave or anything that increases it. Yeah, there's just more characters. Okay, I would kind of want it to, well, because I kind of like the escalation of more and more enemies, but then also... Well, okay, if I think of something like Super Auto Pets, all of the pets just all slowly gain health and stuff, so... Yeah, so it's instead of after... Yeah. Well, it's a little boring, is it? If I just do increased stats on the characters. I mean, it does have a little bit of that auto battler feel, though. Yeah, and I'm thinking of something like... Well, is there a way I can do... It's kind of what I want, is add an enemy up to 5. Then when you hit 5, start increasing the stats. And do less enemies. And then... Like I said, like, oh, I was thinking of doing like Roman numerals, essentially, so... Okay, so if I do the number of enemies is instead... mod 5. 5. What does that give me? So the wave is 1 mod 5. It's gonna give me 0? Then I just instantly win? So it might be +1. I did add the ow. Oh, and these are repositioning, okay. Interesting. Oh wow, none of the interesting skills spawn until like over here. As in health and damage. Yeah. I needed to get rid of piercing as well. Piercing needs to go away. Okay, I believe that was... Is it the character shooting the projectile? That's... Ranged attack. Set stats to its stats. Okay, what I could do... Yeah, stats dot... Add health -1. Wait. So is its health equal to... Okay, let's just see what the projectiles are in terms of... Let's pause on the correct scene first. Yeah, it's too dark. Oh. Health is -16. Why is it -16 and not gone? Oh. Interesting. I did that because of the main character? Or was this literally just to add piercing and I'm now wanting to get rid of it? Oh. Destroy game object after like a second, right? Well, not really. I mean, I really just need to give it like a frame to late update. Right? So what's the thing that it's... Check dead enemies. Check dead enemies is... in the update. So if I do this in the late update... will that fix it? I mean, it really should just be within the object. It says whether it's okay, that works for now, I guess. Oh, they're doing ow every time they get hit. I think I do want it to just be ow on... Oh, and it's like, duh, I could do added range and projectile speed. And then I can just break that connection. I didn't, because I... Okay, that's... Okay. Again, you should not be destroying here. It should be the is dead event, and that gets evoked on the character, right? Okay, or here, stats get dead. The projectile here. Okay. Oh, it should have gone flying through the character if there was.
Ow, 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 ow.
Okay.
Ow, ow.
It did it again. Is it spawning multiple projectiles or something? I don't know why it's...
Ow, ow, ow.
Okay, fuck that shit. So... Okay, so it is. So mod 0 should be mod 0 plus 1. So the wave here should be mod 0. Mod of 5 plus 1. So it'll be anywhere between 1 and 6, or 1 and 5 enemies, maybe? I think. Okay, but then these stats... Okay, so now this is set stats based on the wave. Clone character visuals. What? No, just clone. Get component stats, right? I heard one little note and it was like, that sounds like. Okay, so now set attack speed to whatever its attack speed is, multiplied by whatever this number of enemies is. Well, no. Multiplied by the game manager mod 5. Plus 1? Well, because, yeah, if it's 5, mod 5. Oh, no, divided by 5. That's what it is. Duh. Okay. Stats equals this. Okay, and then that. Set the attack speed to the... Get the attack speed. Times the... Manager wave divided by 5. It's 8:30. Okay, I'm finally making progress though. Well, I might take a 8:30 pee break.
Nope.
Okay, so this should be every 5 waves. It should get harder. Rather, the enemies should get faster. Oh, set attack speed. What's the other one? Might be too much if I increase all of the stats, but it's okay. And I don't think range matters at all right now. I was really hoping combining this chocolate and peanut butter snack would turn into like super delicious, and it's good, but it's not a Reese's. That's definitely a coconut snack. Yeah, we're just gonna up all of them. Not that it really matters. What? Why are you going like the last one here? Hmm? Float. End. Okay. I added one. You're the one that can't move, right? No. Oh. Great. Good to know moving stuff is broken. And you're the one that can't move. That's why I was... Why do they appear to be instantly dying? Or some variation thereof. What? No, I wanted it to be... Oh, multiply. No, 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 no. It should be its base attack speed plus this. It's one of those, like, I should figure out for one of these. But yet, I'm gonna do all of them because I'm just that confident in my abilities. No, it's because I don't want to think. And it's easier to just type it than it is to think it. And I know that's the, you know, beginner programmer. Type a whole lot. Expert programmer, think a whole lot. But I don't know how to think, so... Like I said, this has been 10 years of not a whole lot. Again, I could probably stick that in a method. That'd be better. Maybe.
Ow, 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 ow.
I guess I'll take the projectile speed for now. I'm not gonna want it.
Ow, ow.
Okay, so yeah, it's not fully doing the right thing there. Wow, there is no other interesting skills anywhere nearby. Oh, meaning, well, no, it's just I have to place everything every round to get past that issue.
Ow, ow, ow.
It's not supposed to be just cutting through them like butter. It's supposed to, the projectile's supposed to destroy itself.
Ow, 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 ow.
Yeah, I don't need the range though. It didn't seem to be a lot. Okay, so let's just hit start. And then pause it. And then go to wherever the heck you are. No, that's all you. There we go. So this enemy, your stats are 10, 10, and 2. And you could look at the prefabs for the character. Five. Okay, so you are properly doubling after. Around. Well, and these are integers anyway. No, that's a float. That's an int. That's an int. Yeah, okay, so it's only gonna double after wave 5 or whatnot, so. Okay, I could just... All I need to do is play the dumb dad blasted mother flippin' game. Oh, okay, that's where all these should end up, but I didn't move them just yet. Great. Thanks. That's not what I wanted to see. Let's just give it another go, because I don't know how to fix that. Why? Why are you done fucked again? What? I don't know what this means. Okay, this should not affect the... I can just do this. Again. Okay, all those scenes are fine. What does that mean? Why are you doing this to me? I don't know what that means and I don't like it. Why? Come on, please. Okay, then don't use it. Why in the hell is the using there that I... What? How in the hell did that get there? As part of static or something? The fluffing heck. Fuck, I kind of need to... I guess I don't need to do the transition scene, but I think... Also, is that Discord link accurate? Oh shit, that just escapes entirely. Okay, I need to do... Shoot, I need to do transition and menu stuff. Yeah, okay, I didn't change it, did I? Yeah, okay, it's still got... Again, most of my name everywhere. Still not entirely what I want, but... Okay, I need the transition again. Yeah, I need scene transition, menu animations. Yeah, I kind of wanted to put some more ows in there and stuff. Okay, can I get some menu stuff? I'm like, I know Bump Squad actually looks good in terms of menus. Well, why was I opening up so much other nonsense? It's like, that's the game, right? I haven't touched it in 4 months? It's accurate. It still seems wild. It's just 9 o'clock. I could just call it quits here too. Fuck. Meaning I still gotta get... I haven't recorded any of the scenes for the trailer to then put it together. And then still have to get a pitch deck going. Yeah, but that's for this. And for Bomb Squad too. Yeah, it's 90%. But the required thing is a trailer. Which is why I was working towards the trailer. Well, I could test it by simply... Okay, so if I just boot this up, record a video of it, and throw that on there. Okay, let's make sure the music is not messing with it. Oops. Oh. Okay, I just wanted the mouse out of the way there for when I start this. So it should be on. Okay, there we go. So it's on Theory Crafter. Do this to start. Yeah, this is not. This is not ideal at all. But this can work as some kind of gameplay video.
Ow. 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 Ow.
No, it can't. Immediate. That's not the gameplay loop. That's not what I wanted. They weren't getting that boosted though, right? I guess if I have a little bit of damage, I think that's all I need. Yeah, but this is not the full. Okay. God balls. Naturally, when I gotta do anything, it's just fucking bored. Yeah, the first time actually trying to record some kind of trailer, basically.
Ow.
Yeah, okay, so if you have some amount of damage, that's huge.
Ow. Ow.
Or maybe they are just doing the ow when they die.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Okay, but that's some kind of gameplay video. So then I can throw that in there as some kind of trailer. Yeah, because if I want to do the transition between scenes, I need to make that a lot better too. So. Okay, let's do a tiny bit of editing on it, most likely. Okay, so it's... So it is a YouTube video link, not a... So I can't drag that in there temporarily? No. Okay, so I do need to finish making an actual trailer, and I can't just throw a gameplay video on there, but I believe that is the last thing to put together, and then it will be... The game page will be up, and then I can use the game page to do this. Which is where this wants a pitch there, too. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like minimum playtime 3 hours is not true. Those I filled out all those. It doesn't say anything about when they would get back to you, right? Or is that after you submit that they would say that? Yeah, okay, it does not say anything about when. This did have a spot for a full pitch, not just a game design document, right? Oh, link to pitch deck. Oh, you don't actually have to have a pitch deck. But that's something I would want to do for sure. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna just call it quits. This was not nearly as productive as I was hoping, but at least... Yeah, because I need to make the menus. Okay, yeah, I should just go to bed, though. So, goodbye, good night, thanks for stopping by. Have better luck than I've had today.